What's up, everybody? My name's Warren and you're watching warren.exe. Now today we're going to be reviewing the Cirkul. I came across this on an Instagram ad and I wanted to try it out. So today we're going to unbox this and we're going to take a look at this. From what I know, this is going to be a water bottle that transforms into a juice, sometimes a juice with nutrients. So let's go ahead and tell our thirst to take a hike because Cirkul is here. I just want to point out that this video is not sponsored and it's an honest review made by yours truly, alright? Now I got that all out the way, let's go ahead and unbox this thing. Alright, now that we have our box, let's go ahead and unbox it. So we're going to go ahead and do some stuff here. Alright, tell your thirst to take a hike. So this is what we get in here. I'll let y'all see it. You can read it here. So let's see what else comes in here. So we got our two flavors. Fruit punch. And we have mixed berry. So this is fit, this is life. I wonder what the differences are. And then we have our little card here that says your control, exclusive discounts, yada yada. And this is the bottle. I'm struggling to open this. Yeah, I'm struggling to open this. Okay, this is not what I thought. Let's go ahead and open it this way. Yeah. So already it's very hard. It's not squeezable, I guess. Feels kind of generic. The bottle itself feels like something you would get from like a career fair at college, or like a college fair if you're trying to find a college, if you're like in high school. The top, it has a little bit of grip here, like rubber grip and wide opening. So I'm assuming it's for one of these. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and fill this up with some filtered water because that's how I roll. And then we're going to follow the instructions. Alright, so the instructions say fill your Cirkul bottle with drinking water and attach the lid. So let's go ahead and grab a bottle of water here, and we're going to go ahead and add it once I get the lid thing off. Cool AMSR. You know what? I should have washed this bottle before I put the water in there, but you know what? So we're going to go ahead and try the fruit punch. Yeah, I can smell it already. So right off the bat, I had thought it would be a powder in here, but if I shake it, it feels liquidy, similar to the other competitors. So we're gonna go ahead and put this on first, as they tell us to. You know what? I meant to check. There isn't a rubber band stopper in here, so if I drop this, or if this falls on its side, that means that it's not going to prevent leakage, which is very bad because accidents happen a lot for me. Okay, this is not how I want the lid though. How do you twist the lid on? That's one thing already I don't like, because you have to like figure out a way to do this. It's not working. What? Alright, maybe this will work. Alright, whatever. No, we're not doing the lid like that. Maybe if I start right here where I don't want it, it'll end up where I do want it. So now that we have our lid on, we have our notches. Oh, that's not what I wanted. So we have our notches, and it says the flavor. So this side's flavor, this side's water. You can't really see that well, but I can try my best. I wish you can see a black number or something, like black writing. I mean, I wish you can be able to see the number. Like you can barely see the number 67. So it looks like it goes all the way up to, I think, 9. X means there's no drink coming out. So what we're going to do is, we're not drinking from this bottle. We're going to go ahead and put a few cups here, because I want to see the difference between the water option, the highest option, and then what happens after when you put it in the highest option. Because I want to see if you can adjust it. Alright, so now that we open this up and see what it looked like in the box and then tried some of it out, I was unable to get this to go inside of a clear cup because this bottle is designed like a Camelback, where you have to bite and suck to get liquid out. I don't see that there's a different color. I don't know if you can see what's in there or not, but from what I see so far, there does not seem to be any color tint to this liquid. It seems to be clear, which is definitely something I didn't expect. And that's for the flavor, going from water to 10. Yeah. Back down to to water. There is a hint of an aftertaste to it. That's not something I like. This collects that residue when you're done with the previous setting that you had, and it will apply it to the next setting. So in this case, I mean, this might be an extreme case, but going from 10 to 0, it will collect that 10 residue, so there will be like a lot of flavor left over in like the ring part of the drink. And then when you flip over to water, you'll go ahead and get that little hint of the flavoring, and then it goes to water, but at the end of it you have that nasty aftertaste. But overall, not bad. So what I want to do now is I want to compare their pods. With these, they're $3.75 on their website. They have a variety of them, ranging from fit sips to iced coffee sips to tea sips, which is pretty interesting. You know, I didn't think that they had a variety on the website. So according to the package, one of these will give you 6 of these. And I mean refill bottles. So a liquid Kool-Aid will give you 24 servings for about $7.99. And Crystal Light, which comes in a smaller bottle that's concentrated liquid for you to put in your water or water bottle, costs around that same ballpark. So one thing about this bottle that hands down beats the rest is the control mechanism that you can arrange to have a certain amount of fluid dispensed into your water, which by far is great. On top of that, there isn't any coloring in the water at all, which is a thumbs up to me. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put in the description a link for you to go ahead and collect a free sample box, the same as I did, or I guess free trial box, and all you have to do is pay shipping, which is $5. I paid $10 because I want to expedite shipping because I don't like waiting, like I'm impatient. So I highly recommend trying it. $5 water bottle with 2 different flavors, definitely worth it in my opinion. You know, if you're not like into anything else, you just get a $5 water bottle. So I would definitely try this out if you have the opportunity and if you have the money to do so. If not, this will be a great gift for someone, like Father's Day. I mean, it's right around the corner. But for your father's birthday, if it's coming up, right? So that being said, I thank you for watching this video, and if you like what you saw, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe and hit that notification bell if you don't want to miss the next video. So until next time, I'll see you later.